Welcome to 21 Days Quick Fit Strength Training Challenge. Why 21 days? Because they say it takes 21 days to form a good habit. And that's exactly what we are aiming for here. A sustainable, long-lasting commitment to your well-being, where each exercise is just going to last for 5 minutes long. Here's my disclaimer. You won't develop a six-pack ab just following these 5 minutes exercise alone for 21 days. No, that's not going to happen. But it is more of a commitment challenge. It is a challenge for us to make time every single day to come back to our workout routine and don't make excuses like the most infamous one. I don't have time. Since it's just 5 minutes long, no more excuses. These workouts are suitable for both men and women. No, it's not gender bias. As the goal of this challenge is to burn fat, sweat out, get stronger, and develop that one good habit of working out every single day for the next 21 days. This is for someone who's a beginner, who just started out on their journey, or also for someone who's already on their journey, but they find it hard to make that commitment. Now let's talk about what you'll need in terms of equipments. Good news, you will not need any equipments because I will be showing you the body weight modifications as we go. But if you'd like to add resistance to your strength training program, you'll need two things: a pair of dumbbells and a mini band or resistance band. If you don't happen to have dumbbells around you, I will suggest you go grab a couple of water bottles right out of the fridge. Simple and accessible. This program is made for you. So this time, absolutely no excuses. Do subscribe and put on that notification bell because I wouldn't want you to miss any of the workout. If you really commit, I promise to you that at the end of this, you will have better stamina, stronger muscles, improved fitness level, and more confidence. Why? Because you have been working out for 21 days straight. Now get ready, our journey starts tomorrow, and tomorrow is our total body, and you will need light to moderate weight of dumbbells. Let it be between 2 to 4 kgs, and if you don't have it, just grab the bottles as I was talking about earlier. Now go get rest, and I'll see you tomorrow.